Have you ever wondered why your skin doesn't bounce back like it used to after 40? There's actually one nutrient that rebuilds collagen from the inside out, and 90% of people over 40 are deficient in it. You're not going to want to miss this. Today, we're revealing the #1 nutrient that restores collagen production after 40. This isn't about collagen supplements that don't work. It's about the missing amino acid your body desperately needs. Stick around, because this nutrient also fixes hair graying, improves sleep, protects your liver, and even helps prevent kidney stones. The complete protocol at the end shows you exactly how to get enough of it, and from completely natural sources. Collagen is the most important structural protein in your body. It makes up your tendons, ligaments, cartilage, skin, and gums. Without adequate collagen, your skin sags, your joints ache, and your entire body ages faster. If you want to learn more about collagen and how to smooth wrinkles naturally, join our Collagen Blueprint free community today. But here's what most people don't understand. Collagen isn't just one thing you can take. Your body builds collagen from amino acids, and one amino acid in particular is responsible for producing about 1/3 of all your body's collagen. That amino acid is glycine. And even though your body can make glycine on its own, it doesn't make nearly enough. This is especially true after age 40, when your body's production drops significantly while your need for glycine actually increases. Here's the shocking part. Even if you're eating plenty of protein from red meat, chicken, fish, eggs, or dairy, you're likely still deficient in glycine. Why? Because modern diets focus on muscle meat, which is extremely low in glycine. This one deficiency affects far more than just your skin. Let's talk about what glycine actually does in your body. What glycine does beyond collagen. Glycine is one of the most important amino acids in your entire body. Yes, it builds collagen, but that's just the beginning. Glycine produces glutathione, your body's most powerful antioxidant. Glutathione detoxifies harmful substances, reduces inflammation throughout your body, and protects your cells from damage. Without adequate glycine, you can't make enough glutathione. This leads to increased oxidative stress, faster aging, and poor detoxification. Glycine is anti-inflammatory, especially in your gut. It helps prevent leaky gut, which is directly linked to autoimmune diseases. If you have digestive issues or autoimmune conditions, glycine deficiency could be a major factor. Glycine supports liver health. Your liver is constantly detoxifying your blood, and it needs glycine to do this efficiently. People with overworked livers from stress, medication, alcohol, or toxin exposure need even more glycine. Glycine is essential for blood health. It's needed to produce heme, the component of hemoglobin that carries oxygen in your blood. Without enough glycine, you can't make healthy red blood cells efficiently. Glycine promotes deeper sleep. Studies show it improves delta wave sleep, the deepest, most restorative stage of sleep, where your body does most of its repair and regeneration. Better sleep means better collagen production, because your body rebuilds tissues while you sleep. Glycine helps with blood sugar regulation. It increases insulin sensitivity and stimulates glucagon, the hormone that opposes insulin. This helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels. So if you're worried about glycine turning into glucose and spiking your blood sugar, don't be. It actually improves blood sugar control. Glycine may prevent kidney stones. It interferes with the binding of oxalate and calcium, reducing the formation of calcium crystals that become kidney stones. Glycine helps detoxify uric acid, making it useful for treating gout. The point is this: glycine deficiency doesn't just age your skin, it affects your entire body, your liver, gut, blood, hair, sleep, metabolism, and more. If you want faster results, join our Collagen Blueprint community, where you'll get routines, recipes, and courses to firm your skin naturally. Why you're deficient in glycine. So why is almost everyone deficient in glycine, especially after 40? First, modern diets are terrible sources of glycine. Our ancestors practiced nose-to-tail eating. They consumed the entire animal, organ meats, skin, cartilage, bones, and connective tissues. These parts are incredibly rich in glycine. Today, we eat mostly muscle meat and throw away everything else. Chicken breast, steak, pork chops, these are all low in glycine. We don't make bone broth anymore. We don't eat organ meats. We avoid skin and cartilage. Or am I wrong? Second, your body's demand for glycine increases dramatically due to stress, medications, alcohol consumption, toxin exposure, an overworked liver. Third, your body's production of glycine declines with age. After 40, you're making less glycine while simultaneously needing more of it to replace lost collagen, support detoxification, and maintain all those other functions. This creates a massive deficit that keeps growing every year. No wonder people over 40 experience thinning skin, wrinkles, joint pain, poor sleep, and accelerated aging. The best natural sources of glycine. The good news is that fixing glycine deficiency is straightforward and inexpensive. Here are your best options. Gelatin supplements are the easiest and most concentrated source of glycine. Products like Knox Blocks or Great Lakes beef gelatin are inexpensive and provide high amounts of glycine per serving. Gelatin is simply cooked collagen, so it's rich in glycine and other collagen-building amino acids. Hydrolyzed collagen is collagen broken down into smaller peptides for easier absorption. It dissolves completely in liquids and provides substantial glycine. Most hydrolyzed collagen powders contain about 20 to 25 grams of protein per serving, with roughly 1/3 being glycine. Bone broth contains collagen and glycine, but you'd need to drink large quantities to get sufficient amounts. A cup of bone broth might provide 2 to 3 grams of glycine. It's beneficial, but not enough on its own. Whole chicken soup made with the entire chicken, bones, skin, cartilage, and all, releases significant collagen into the broth. Traditional broths from cultures that use whole fish or bones are excellent sources. Think of Asian fish head soups or traditional stocks made with bones, feet, and cartilage. Direct glycine powder is the most targeted approach. Pure glycine powder is inexpensive and allows you to get therapeutic doses easily. The key is choosing sources you'll actually consume consistently. There's no point in buying bone broth if you hate the taste and never drink it. Dosage and how to take glycine. How much glycine do you actually need? Typical supplementation ranges from 4 to 10 grams of glycine daily. Some studies use up to 15 grams for therapeutic purposes. Your individual needs depend on your age, stress levels, diet, and health status. Glycine is extremely safe. Toxicity is virtually impossible. You'd need to consume around 600 grams to cause harm. The 4 to 10 gram range is well within safe limits, with no side effects for most people. Take glycine with food rather than on an empty stomach. This improves absorption and prevents any potential digestive discomfort. Timing matters for specific benefits. Take 3 to 5 grams about 30 to 60 minutes before bed to improve sleep quality. Split your dose throughout the day, morning and evening, to maintain steady levels for collagen production. If using for blood sugar support, take it with meals. For collagen production specifically, combining glycine with vitamin C gives the best results. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, and glycine provides the building blocks. Take 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C along with your glycine. Why glycine works when regular collagen doesn't. You might be wondering, if I'm already taking collagen supplements, why do I need glycine? Here's the truth. Regular collagen supplements do contain glycine, but often not enough to overcome the deficiency. A typical 10-gram serving of collagen powder provides only about 2 to 3 grams of glycine. If you're deficient by 10 to 15 grams daily, that collagen supplement barely makes a dent. More importantly, when you're severely deficient in glycine, your body prioritizes using it for critical functions like glutathione production, detoxification, and blood formation before it uses it for collagen. So even the glycine you do get from collagen supplements might not be going toward collagen production. By supplementing with glycine directly and getting adequate amounts, you ensure your body has enough to handle all its functions and rebuild collagen. If you want to take your skincare to the next level and see smoother, firmer skin in just 90 days or less, join our Collagen Blueprint community today. You'll get routines, recipes, courses, and a supportive group, all for free as a founding member. Click the link in the description to get started now. Simple, natural things work the best. God gave us all the remedies we need right here on Earth. I pray God bless you and heal any illness in your body. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.